Okay.
I came to Star, I saw that everyone were out of range, so we just moved it.
Okay. All right. Everyone come inside the room. All right, everybody is ready, so move to the yellow. Pulling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
And Melee, be careful you don't run into those slag bombs.
Beware.
Janking.
Oh my god.
Beware.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's get behind pile over here. Okay, now the other pile.
5, 4,
Both of those
Too far away
having
from
some.
the boss.
1.
Yep, but it's fine. I
5,
mean, the next
4,
one
3,
should be.
2, 1.
Okay,
Beware.
I see now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
But yeah, let's wipe it up.
4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I can res.
Awesome.
Might be out of range.
I'll try.
God, everyone except me. I'll release and run back.
No, hold on. I can get closer.
Ah, that one worked.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can we get a Jeeves as well, please? Ah, there we go.
It's it.
Alright, everyone get to the yellow. Oh well. Get away.
Zell.
Yes.
So the idea is basically when the ceiling starts to come down, we run to orange, and
Yep.
when stuff is going to come down at orange, we run back to yellow, right?
Correct.
So, yeah, you basically should be as far away as possible from the stuff falling down.
Yeah, the damage decreases the further away you are from the impact site. Right, well, everybody is ready. So, pulling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Get to the yellow, guys.
Beware.
That's tanking.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I wasn't really expecting you to run through the middle.
Alright, remember, if you get impaling
back up.
slash on you,
5,
run
4,
to a
3,
debris pile.
2, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware. Beware.
5,
That's tanking.
4, 3, 2, 1. 5.
Alright, guys, while we're wiping, have a look at how the demolition stuff is happening. You'll see these little swirlies coming. The further away you are from each of those swirlies, the less damage you take. So the idea is that you're grouped up on one side of a room, a whole bunch of swirlies come, and as those are falling, you move to the other side. As you move to the other side, those first swirlies impact, and new swirlies appear where you are. And then you move back to the other side. So for this attempt, just stop DPSing, stop healing, not healing, well, stop DPSing and just focus on moving from one side of the room to the other. Be nice and grouped up on that yellow. Jeeves is still up.
Is it all the swirlies, or just the big swirly that the heavy ranged raids damage comes from, depending on range?
All
Sorry,
of them.
say again?
Well, do the little swirlies like do less damage if you're further away, or is it just the big ones?
But all of them, yeah, all of them do less damage the further away you are. I'll actually explain that a little bit better. So I'm just going to kind of demonstrate. Don't run in, because in case I accidentally pull the boss. Let's say everybody is grouped up at the yellow. First bunch of swirly spawn. What you want to do is kind of move to the middle a little bit, and then you'll see a big swirly spawn, and then as soon as you see that, move to the next. And you basically want to kind of leave a trail of swirlies, kind of stagger step your way over from one side to the other.
And we're doing that as a group, right?
As a group.
Okay.
So this time, when demolition happens, just stop DPS and just work on moving as a group and look at the actual swirlies. Look how they're falling, you know, move away from them a little bit. Ideally, we want the debris pile to be in the middle.
Okay.
Dear Blizz, thank you very much for giving us more patrolling bosses in this expansion. It's the best way to pull a boss.
Yeah.
Everybody is ready. Pulling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Alright, next demolition is incoming. Stop DPS, just look.
Stop a second here. Go. Okay.
Beware.
And look at where you're moving to. Don't scatter all over the place. Try and move as a group from one point to another to keep those swirlies kind of consistent.
I put a
That
marker.
first debris pile in the middle was really nicely placed.
1.
That's the second one.
5, 4, 3,
Say again, Apo?
1.
The one in the middle is actually the second.
Oh, okay.
Beware.
Yeah, the first one shot right where we were.
Yeah, we got 3
The
of
thing
them.
is, we can put them closer to the middle, but that means that we need to stay closer to them, and means that the healers have to yell through more stuff with less time.
Yeah, but remember that whoever gets Impaling Throw has a speed buff.
Yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
no, I know, I know. I'm just saying that if you want them in the middle, in the inner circle, then it's that. Otherwise, if you want like one on the yellow, one in the middle, and one somewhere on the orange, then it's probably more feasible.
Okay. Well, do you want to put down some new world markers for that?
It can do.
Yeah, you'd want it kind of like a triangle, if you know what I mean, in the middle, so you can go diagonal and the distance is a bit longer.
Yeah, as long as tanks don't get out of range, but sure.
Yeah, I think that definitely happened on the last attempt. I think we all moved a bit so fast and couldn't keep the tanks up.
Let's see, we can try to do this. We move from yellow to moon, and then from moon to circle. Problem is, if the third big pile of debris happens on circle, we need to move away from there anyway.
Yeah, if after the third we can start moving back to the yellow.
I want to try something. Murphy, you here?
Yep.
Basically, when we will be... just 1 second, Panda. After the first big orange swirly happens here, what you do is position yourself here and pop your